If you want to know how to use ClipChamp voice generator, you've come to the right place. So they provide us the opportunity to generate speech from text. And in order to use this feature, we need to open our project. And here we need to click on record and create in the left side menu. So after that, we open this page where we need to click on text to speech. So this feature is available right up here, and as you can see, we have a couple of options we can change. Basically, we have the option to change language. There are a lot of different languages we can generate: English, German, Greek, and so on. In my case, I'd like to generate English. After that, we can set the voice who will generate the speech. There are a lot of actors: Jenny, Guy, Aria, Davis, Amber, Anna, and so on. So after that, we need to choose, and then we can change the voice style, like general, chat, customer service, newscast, angry, cheerful, sad, excited, friendly, and so on. There are a lot of different styles we can choose here. So in my case, we can choose something, it depends on your aims, of course. Let it be, for example, assistant now. Then we can change the speed of the speech, regular, slow, or fast. I suggest you to use a regular basically, but we can also make it a little bit faster if it's necessary as for your video in your case. And also we can change the voice speech like extra low, low, medium, high, and extra high. And after that, all we need to do is just simply input the text. In my case, I'm going to input something like this. Hello, have a good day. So now, in order to hear it, how does it look like? We can just simply click on play.
Hello, have a good day.
Yeah, in a few seconds, everything will be generated basically. And now we can simply click on save to media, and our voiceover will be automatically added to media folder right up here. So now we can drag and drop it on our timeline and use just a simple audio. We can manage volume, fade in, fade out, and speed, of course. When everything is done, we can just simply click on export and export our project. So this is a way of how can we use a ClipChamp voice generator. Like, comment, subscribe, goodbye.